So let's assume you had a leak in your home, and we've got one here in this home, and the leak's already been taken care of. So what we have to do when there's a water stain on a painted surface like this, so this stain is actually on the ceiling and the beam and running down the wall, we have to get out a quick dry primer. And what quick dry primers do is when you spray them on, they actually, the stain actually migrates into it and then it's locked into it. So it doesn't, in the old days it would have sealed it and wouldn't have migrated, but everybody wants something that smells a little bit better in their home. So it's going to be more of a water-based sealer, and the stain migrates into it and then it's trapped there. So it starts to get into it, and then it gets sealed up. But so this one we'll have to spot prime that once or twice with a sealer, and then after that, and it's dry, then it's ready to be painted and everything will be fine.